Hi, class. This is Mr. G. So we are going to go ahead and finish today's, uh, the lesson that we've been working on, 1.7. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do example number 6. Before we do that, let's go ahead and answer this question up here. Let me zoom in. It's next to number 5. Okay. So this question reads, what is the difference between linear equations and non-linear equations? What is the difference between linear equations and nonlinear equations? Okay, now if we look at these, okay, you have them in front of you. So if you look at this one, this is a line, yes. This one is not a line; it's a parabola. This one, it is a line. I mean, it goes up and down, but it is a line. And then for D, it is not a line. Okay, they're functions. These are functions. This is not a function; it's a relation, but it is an equation, though, right? Okay. Um, so what is the difference? The difference is simple. Linear equations, what are they? They're a line. Non-linear, not a line, right? Okay, that's it. We answered that one. Right, now let's go ahead and go on to example number 6. Example number 6 reads like this. Find each value for f of x equals 2x minus 3 and h of t equals t squared minus 5. Okay, now let's answer this question. What does the notation f of x mean? F of x means it is a function. F of x, it's a function. That's what that means. Okay, and also h of t is a function too. Okay, that's what that means. So when you read these, f of 2 means, what is f of 2? What is y when 2 equals x? That's what that means. This means, let me repeat it again. F of 2 means, what is y when x equals 2? So what you do is you substitute. So let me show you so you can see that a little bit better. Okay, so f of 2 means, for this one, wherever you see a x, you put in a 2. Okay, so in this case, you're going to rewrite it like this. F of x equals 2, and then what is x? 2 minus 3. So f of x equals 2 times 2 minus 3. So f of x equals 4 minus 3, which equals 1. So f of x equals 1, which equals y. So we have your x, we have your y. So this function crosses at x equals 2 and y equals 1. Okay, hopefully that makes sense to you, okay? So this is an equation. If you were to graph this is a point on there. Okay, let's go ahead and do B. So f of 3 equals what? So again, f of x equals 2, and then x is 3 now, minus 3. So f of x, 2 times 3 is 6, minus 3 is 3. So it looks like this one is at 3, comma 3. So f of x equals 3. So it's at 3, comma 3. Easy, right? Okay. I'll go ahead and on the next video, I'll go ahead and do example 6C, and I'll start you off with D, and then you guys can do E and F. Okay, on the next video, we'll do these two.